Hello, welcome to this SpecSizer video on how to compare generator sets on SpecSizer. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare generator sets on the Select Generator Set page. Before we can compare generators, please complete the Add Load step of your project. On this example, we have a scenario where the best fit generator set selected is a C18DE660E0 with 660 kVA. As you can see, there is a column called Compare, with checkbox next to each possible genset model. For the best fit genset, the checkbox is always checked. The objective of Compare Generator Set feature is to compare the best fit generator with others. To do that, select the checkbox next to each generator that you wish to compare with the best fit. You are allowed up to 3 selections. After clicking on checkbox, you can now click on the Compare Genset button on the top of the list. It will now open a new page with the characteristic of each selected genset. As you can see on the top of the list, the first generator on the left is the best fit suggested by SpecSizer as the best one to be used on the project application. The other 3 on the list are the ones selected on the previous page. Items that are highlighted in blue on this table represents characteristics that are different from the best fit genset. For example, alternator excitation, feature code, price list, and others. On the top right of the page, there is an option to hide matching rows. If you select this option, the table will hide any characteristics that are equal between the best fit generator sets and the others selected and show only the differences. Once you are happy enough with the report, you can click back to Generator Set selection and you'll be transferred back to the Select Generator Set page. This concludes this video training on how to compare gensets. Thanks for watching and please send us your feedback to help improve your experience with SpecSizer.